Are you prepared to be surprised? Did you know that 7.5% of Indian households just own a car? Now, this number unveils a fascinating story about India's economic and social landscape, from urban rural divides to state wise leaders and income based trends. Let's dive into the nuances, get the details of car ownership across the nation. I'm Shuli Das, and it's a statistic that truly makes you pause and think. And only 7.5% of Indian households currently own a car, while common sight in urban centers, this number reveals a vast untapped market and significant disparities. Breaking it down, the urban rural divide is stark. 13.2% of urban households have a car compared to a mere 3.7% in rural areas, highlighting differing economic realities and access. When you look at state-wise ownership, the picture becomes even clearer. Goa surprisingly leads the pack with 45% of households owning a car, showcasing a unique economic lifestyle pattern. Kerala and Jammu and Kashmir follow with solid ownership rates of 24% and 23% respectively, and on the other hand, states like Bihar, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh show significantly lower rates, reflecting varying levels of prosperity and infrastructure. Unsurprisingly, economic class plays a crucial role. Car ownership rates rise sharply with increased spending power, making it a clear indicator of wealth and prosperity. Further, a sector-wise analysis shows service households leading in ownership, followed by industrial and agricultural sectors. Now, these numbers paint a comprehensive picture of India's evolving mobility landscape, revealing both challenges and immense potential for growth in the automotive sector. Now, looking at the pointers, now overall, only 10.5% Indian household owned a car, urban versus rural divide, 13.2% urban, 3.7% rural ownership. Now, top states include Goa, Kerala, and J&K. Lowest states with car ownership is Bihar, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. Now, economic class ownership rises with spending power. Sector leaders, service households lead by 9% ownership. Now, these figures on car ownership in India offer a fascinating glimpse into our nation's diverse economic fabric. The vast majority of these households still await their first car, underscoring or highlighting the need for immense growth potential, but also highlighting significant accessibility challenges. Yes, there are challenges. What do you think are the biggest barriers to wider car ownership in India, and how can they be addressed? Share your thoughts, let's have a debate, and do like, share, and subscribe our channel.